This remodeled ranch home is located on the edge of town with a fully finished walkout basement, newer roof, high-efficient furnace, tankless water heater, and it backs to open farmland. This is the only home for sale in Keenesburg proper that has an outbuilding that will fit a bus and RV. The city does not allow for future outbuildings, so this home is special. The sellers just had the entire exterior of the home freshly painted. The insulated front door was also just installed. The drive next to the home leads you to the shop and back area of the property. As you enter the home, you will be blown away by how bright and open the floor plan is. The 20 by 13 living room has vaulted ceilings, designer painted walls, and brand new water and scratch resistant plank flooring throughout. There is plenty of room here for your large couch, love seats, and entertainment center. The large 15 by 13 kitchen features beautiful solid oak cabinets with crown molding, designer pulls, and tons of counter space for those who like to cook. This kitchen features a newer stainless refrigerator with French doors and bottom freezer, new stainless dishwasher, microwave, and glass top range. The large center island is a perfect place for the kids to sit in and have their morning breakfast. The 12 by 9 formal dining area with new water and scratch-resistant plank floors has great views of the farmland. This room is large enough for a table that seats 10 to 12. You can easily entertain your guests as you prepare the holiday meal in this open floor plan. There is a main floor laundry room with cabinet for storing your cleaning supplies, plus a folding area for your clothes. The freezer will stay for the new buyers. This spacious 14 by 14 primary bedroom suite has vaulted ceilings, his and her walk-in closets with built-in shelving. There is plenty of room here for your king bed, dressers, and nightstands. This primary bath features a large oak vanity with newer fixtures and treatments and separate a walk-in shower. There is a soaker tub in the primary bath that you can relax in after a hard day at work. This 15 by 10 main floor second bedroom has vaulted ceilings, designer painted walls, and a walk-in closet. There is a very clean and spacious full guest bath for the secondary bedrooms on the main level. This is the view of the 15 by 10 main floor third bedroom with vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet, and views of the farmlands from the window. This is the view of the 12 by 12 basement rec room. Perfect place for your game tables and play area. There is a door that walks out to the backyard from this room. This 25 by 20 basement family room with designer tile floors is a perfect area for your home theater area. This is a great room for your large sectional couch and entertainment center. Check out the designer tile floors, craftsman trim, and molding in this great hangout room for your family. This is the view of the 16 by 11 basement fourth bedroom with new carpet, paint, trim, and walk-in closet. The 14 by 12 basement fifth bedroom has newer carpet, trim, and designer paint.